In this video, I'll show you how to set up standby mode on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Plus, Pro Max. Let's get started. First thing is to go in the settings of your iPhone. Once you're in the settings, should look like this. You need to go down this menu, this first menu, until you see standby mode right over here. Tap on this. Make sure that standby mode is turned on. If not, well, obviously it will not work. You also have night mode. This simply means that when it's at nighttime, to not disturb you, it will have a red tint and it will also lower the ambient lighting so it doesn't shine in your eyes and blind you. Okay, so if you want this, just turn it on. Once you do this, we need to charge the iPhone. We need to put it on a charger using the USB Type-C port or the MagSafe port for this to work. If it's not charging, the iPhone will not enable standby mode. Over here, I have a portable MagSafe charger. I'll put a link in the description if you want one. It's made by Anker. The iPhone also needs to be on the panoramic mode, horizontal mode for this to work. So over here, it's connected. Turn the screen off, turn it on, and you should have welcome to standby if it's the first time you're actually using this feature. Okay, so let me do it. I'll put the phone in horizontal mode on the charger. Okay, it's charging. Welcome to standby mode. Perfect. Press continue. And now you are in standby mode, but this is highly customizable. So on the left side, you can switch through different widgets that are pre-installed. If you want to add a new one or change this, you can keep press. It will ask you for your passcode. And then you'll be able to delete the widgets that are pre-installed and add new ones using this plus symbol here. And you'll have a few different options over here where you can add different widgets. Add widget. And so it'll be here. You can also keep press and change the orders. It's up to you. You also have smart rotate on the right side. This simply means that these widgets will rotate one after another. If you don't want this, if you want to do it manually every time, remove that feature. Press done when you're ready, and this is it. You can also customize, obviously, the right widget. Same thing, you see them all here. You can press the minus to remove them, the one that you never use, and the plus sign to add new ones. All right, now if you swipe towards the right, you're gonna see another feature that is your clock with your background pictures that you have took with this iPhone. If you don't like the picture that is displayed, you can simply press on it, press the plus button, and change which album the iPhone will get the picture that will be shown on the screen. Okay? If you swipe again, you're gonna only have the clock. If you keep press, you'll be able to change what kind of clock you have. You have a few ones here. Let's say you want this one. Perfect, press down. And this is about it. This is standby mode. A small side note, this is a personal note, is that I found this to be highly unreliable. In case you wonder, it's normal. Sometimes it does not engage, even if my phone has all the prerequisite for this to work. And sometimes and most of the time, it does not stay on for a long period of time. So again, this is just something to keep in mind. I don't know if Apple will ever fix this feature, but overall, this is how you use standby mode on your iPhone 16. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.